Welcome back to my channel. Today I see an opportunity to sell on CADJPY. Here, as you can see, I am already in sell and I put the sell limit on CADJPY, but only first 4 layers are triggered. The reason why I entered sell is the trend is downward. On day 1, it is making engulf candle. On H4, it is making drop base drop. As you can see here, the setup is in H1. So what is the setup in H1? Is nothing but SNR C1. As you can see here, marking with the rectangle zone, SNR C1. Hiding trade levels and delete all objects. Here you can clearly see that the support plus drop base drop. This is the first support, second support, third, fourth, and these support break with big bearish candle. So this is called SNR C1. So I entered here. This is the reason why I entered. So only first 4 layers are triggered. Let's see what happens to my trade.
One eternity later. The next day. No.
Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay. I just visit, have no shame.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more! Where the fuck are your parents? Who are your parents? I'm gonna call Chop.
Best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.